Hello, word listeners. Welcome back. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another episode of Hello Word, where we explore interesting English vocabulary. Today, our word of the day is departure. So, what exactly does departure mean? Well, in simple terms, departure is the act of leaving a place, especially to start a journey. It's a noun, and it's used to describe the act of going away. You might hear it used in an airport, a train station, or even in everyday conversations. Think about it like this. When you leave home in the morning to go to work or school, that's a departure. It signifies the action of moving away from a certain point. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for departure. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings, which can help us better understand the word and use it in different contexts. One synonym for departure is leaving. For example, the leaving of the band member was a shock to the fans. Another synonym is exit. You could say the exit from the building was clearly marked. A third synonym is going, as in her going to Europe was a dream come true. Another great synonym is withdrawal. This might be used in a more formal context, like the withdrawal of troops marked the end of the conflict. Finally, let's consider egress. You might see that word above a door. It means the fire escape provides a safe egress from the building. So, we've covered some synonyms. Now, let's explore the opposite side, antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. This helps us to understand the word by seeing what it is not. The antonym of departure is arrival. You could say, the arrival of the guests was delayed due to traffic. Another antonym is coming. For instance, we eagerly awaited his coming. A third antonym is entrance. The sentence would be, the entrance to the museum was grand. A further antonym can be stay, as in, her stay was longer than expected. And lastly, think about return, which is often used in travel contexts. Like, his return from vacation was celebrated. Now, let's see how departure is used in everyday life. You might hear someone say, the departure gate is B23. Or, please check the departure time on your ticket. In more general conversations, you could hear someone say, her departure from the company was a great loss. Or, the president announced a change in policy that marked a significant departure from previous strategies. You might also hear the phrase, due to unforeseen circumstances, there's been a sudden departure from the planned schedule. Let's look at some specific sentences and phrases using departure. The plane's departure was delayed due to bad weather. We gathered at the airport to say goodbye before his departure. The departure lounge was crowded with travelers. Their departure left a void in the community. The early morning departure meant waking up at 4 a.m. The band's music marked a radical departure from their earlier sound. Before departure, please ensure you have all your belongings. We watched the ship's departure from the harbor. The schedule listed all the departure times for the trains. His unexpected departure took everyone by surprise. We've covered the definition of departure, explored synonyms like leaving, exit, going, withdrawal, and egress, and looked at antonyms like arrival, coming, entrance, stay, and return. We also discussed how departure is used in everyday life and gave plenty of examples. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I really appreciate you taking the time to learn with me. Now, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show and learn English too. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word departure and share it in the comments section. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!